Good morning everybody, we are back vlogging for the first time in months and we've picked a rather splendid morning to get underway. Here we are at Bamburgh on the beach on my very early exercise for the morning, and it is absolutely glorious. Not exactly conducive to ICM photography at the moment, but I have already given it a wiggle. But mainly today I have brought down the film camera, which I acquired sometime between now and last summer. I can't exactly remember when, so I've taken a few shots of that. When this vlog comes out I don't know, so I may have the results back in time for the video, I may not, we'll see. So anyways, let's get on with photographing this superb sunrise even. Well, it's confusing, I'm not usually up this time of the morning. There's a beautiful sunrise. Might even get the drone out, because yes, I've bought a drone as well. Lots of things have changed since we last spoke via a vlog. Right, onwards. Now, one of the issues I am having and have had with this little beastie of a film camera is that, which is the Ashai Pentax SP something or other. Spotmatic, that's what it's called. One problem is the mirror keeps on getting stuck in the down position, so I'm having to open up the back now and open up the bottom to oil it, etc. So it is currently stuck again, so I don't know what I'm photographing. Well, I have photographed a good few things already this morning, so that's not too bad. So we should have some results. Anyway, so just going to grab the last few bits of colour int sky before it disappears. So yeah, let's crack on again. Well, that's been a cracking morning so far anyway, but it's time for home. Had the drone up, really good. A little bit nervous flying it out to sea and all that, but yeah, it didn't plummet, which is always good after you've spent money on it. So yeah, that's it for today, for today's vlog. Just to break things in gently. Probably by the time you've seen this, I'll have edited at least one or two from these on Tuesday night edits. So remember to keep an eye on Tuesday night edits for all of the usual up-to-date stuff and the weekly whatever's going on and all that kind of stuff. If you've enjoyed this video, please do like, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, the whole shebang. Do a bit of gaming on Twitch these days, just to change it up. And I have a Discord channel as well. So Discord server, whatever they're called, I don't know. It's a gaming thing, but it can be useful as well. We'll put out announcements and stuff. Join the community there and enjoy yourself there. Lots of trying to get some ICM stuff going on that, and a bit of photography and a bit of socialising. So if you have a Discord because you're a gamer or whatever, do join me on that. Right then, the sun is pretty high now. No more ICM photography this morning. So until the next one, whenever that'll be, keep hard. See ya.